Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can change your audio output in your TCL Android TV. So for example, if you have connected an external speakers or external audio device to your TCL Android TV and you want your audio to come through that device, so what you can simply do is you can simply click on this settings button on your remote on the right side, and you can go on your sound settings. From here on, you can go to your advanced settings, and if you scroll down, this is the option of digital audio out. So you can put it to automatic. So if you connect any digital audio to your speakers to your TCL TV, it will automatically redirect it. Or you can also select PCM, and it will manually select your outer output of your audio to your external device, or you can turn it off so it does not do anything. So this is how you can choose your audio output, and this is how you can use your external speakers. So I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.